You know, and they try to do that Mexican thing. They go walk for this show. I go let down. Nothing they happen.
I know what I go do. I go set you up.
Waiting, you set me up for waiting.
Okay.
Nothing they happen. You want to set me up for waiting. Mexican language, French, which other language again? Italian, Spanish, all those ones. They sound very, very sexy, you know. You know, you saw those Mexican guys, they just come out from water. Just with their chest.
Just shake hair like that.
Like this. They come, slow motion. You hear music for the background. They talk to the loop. Telemundo. They only see what they only see for inside the TV. That Telemundo. And girls can kill themselves for this Telemundo matter. Hey, they cry on behalf of the team.
I tell you.
That guy. Hi.
He's so cute.
He's so cute. The reason they deceive you now. We say if they do all those kinds of things, we say we make too much brain. No.
I tell you.
Serious. All right, we're welcome now to the late night show. Easy Beast.
I tell you.
What you tell me?
Okay.
What you tell me? No, this one now you gawk. We'll do it again. Ladies and gentlemen, we're welcome now. Come the late night show. All right, take it. My head got to be like, I want to know the TV. See, as me just around. Easy be serious.
Like roll on.
It be like roll on. Just carry. Okay. Today we get some very making sense people inside the show. So make us sit back, relax, and we'll go catch plenty fun. All right. You get one artist and one bros. You go come show us some making sense things on top paintings and everything. Even me, I've been get flair for painting that year. No, but painting and drawing. But somehow I find that say, man, jack of all trade, not gonna be master of anything at all. So I just decided to just make your camp, you know, for the side way I believe say talking day. All right. At the same time, I'll get DJ all the way from Maven's Records and every you know, DJ, you know. Today she don't carry her plenty hair come. I don't plan something to come here. They try grow hair, but you know the great work. But somewhere, you know, say my former life or the future life, I go get hair like Easy Beat, for example. You know, see Easy Beat hair. They jealous the hair. One day, I just wake up one day. You wake up one day, see your hair don't be like my hair. Narcissus also. You all talk to Samson. Your power, your less.
Your power, your
less. Because you call here, because say, me, you call DJ. Because say, where do I start from? My power has left me.
My power has left me.
Okay, someone that sit back, relax. You see, they expect Bobby Michaels. If you join us, fine. If you not join us, the show continue. All right. So, like I always talk, tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody. Say the late night show. You have started. All right. So don't go anywhere, ladies and gentlemen. We just have to begin something. No. So Easy Beat, take it out, and we'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're welcoming you back to the late night show, okay? With your boy Ogbolor. You know, if you just walk out, go Twitter at W Late Night Show. When you reach there, just drop the gist and every, you know. Just like I speak English just now,
No, you did one.
I did one.
English you speak.
So now pidgin English, but you can't touch. Yes,
you have phonette to pidgin English.
I have phonette to the whole pidgin English.
Do them again.
Okay, make it do them again. Yeah. We're welcome to come back to the late night show, all right? So make us sit back, relax. We'll catch plenty fun this night, okay? Hey, easy, easy.
Nasa.
Chills, man. Chills. You know what they do? You know. Okay. Now, enough of the play. We have reached the point where we'll do the cocoa of the day.
That's it.
We are old men, no? Just to remind you. All right, cocoa number 1 for the day. Easy Beat. Clear the throat again. Easy. Easy. But you know, I feel weird doing this thing.
Which one?
We can't do like too mature amebo women.
Where they gossip at me?
Hey, come here.
Hey.
But we'll do it like men, they'll do it.
Okay, like men. How men they do it?
I don't know how men they do it. Men, guy, you don't hear.
I never hear.
That's what men.
I never hear.
We do amebo, but you got to take the package.
They use swag.
See, oh boy, man, things not rough, man.
For real?
Yeah, everything not crazy.
Are you serious? What's happen?
Yeah. Obama, Nigerian president. Okay. Now, I don't hear these issues before, but I said today we'll talk about the show.
Yeah.
You know, say these days now, some women don't tire for marriage. People
know
don't
they
date now.
tire,
They
they
don't
tire.
people don't date now. We don't tire for anything marriage.
Okay.
Because from the reason people own, we no work.
We don't walk out.
So people don't look now say, man, me, I just want get pikin. I don't want marry. Make I just get pikin. No, I don't want marry. Some guys will talk say, man, if woman just give me like 2 pikin,
I'll your rest for the matter.
I just take care of her for our own side, but me I just do my side to take care of the kids and make it just carry my name and every. This particular chick, her own say she just looks like men are immature. Some men are just a baby that is grown. They are still babies. So how men go take the father baby when they say the baby too?
Okay.
Now she just reason, just go Facebook. Now you put application for this. So anybody can apply. If you know you can get me pregnant, you can give me a belly. Then no bother about say you go be papa for the teen.
Just lock up.
Just lock up. Just come and enjoy yourself, and then you leave the whole thing to me. I will take care of the pikin and everything. Now she put for Facebook. Come see where men they apply. Easy bit. And she can't find. Come see where men they apply. Say, baby.
We die there.
Die there. Don't pay me, don't give me the money. Don't give me the money.
She wants to pay them.
She wants to pay them, John. She say, I'll pay you the money for your service well done and everything. But first, you go do test whether you go sabi, you know. But I didn't wonder how this. I mean, some men will just line up. Next, try yourself. Are you mature enough?
She don't put the criteria to any kind of application.
She don't put criteria. Just sabi. Not just come there, do your thing and leave. But this word don't spoil.
I dey tell you.
This is not what you feel just get for outside now.
You fine.
Just manage, just get one boyfriend, just lock up. The guy just give you, you say run.
You just want the attention this woman they look for.
Attention. You go use your sexuality till they do attention.
Imagine this kind of matter happen for Nigeria like so.
For Nigeria?
You know what the Nigerian boys do? They'll go open new profile for Facebook.
You go see profile.
You go shock you.
So we all do that like Yanya. Don't put chest everywhere. Use chest cover the whole screen. Baby girl. Forget it. But any which way, well, now her own biz was with that. I wish her good luck with everything on top of that particular level. Now, Coco number 2. You can't low one kind, you can't low one kind. You don't come with the energy of the genge. One of the most miserable songs I don't see lately. I don't notice. Okay. But that's what mean half. But any which way.
But you they feel them.
Yeah. You know, you need to see side club. I'm in love. Oh, Pocoyam. Okay, now this couple. Based on marriage things now, still on the whole marriage P and everything.
Right,
you know, this couple now just really saying, man, they're all confused. Okay. They want marry, but they don't know how they'll go about the wedding because they won't do daytime wedding, but they can't still like nighttime wedding. They won't do wedding for this particular city, but they still like another city. And they already say, okay, you know what we go do? One of us do one wedding.
Oh.
We'll do 38.
38?
38.
Wedding
for different parts of the world.
She na wedding tour.
My brother, not all. They don't go Thailand. They don't go Singapore, Australia, Fiji, United States, Colombia, Spain, Ireland, Morocco, Egypt, Kenya, India, California. They all go different places go marry. See this one all those Kenya side be all this one now where they marry. So with all those Masai people, what they call them? When I come Nigeria now, when I also come this side. So they all don't thought they marry for everywhere now because they say they don't get that kind of big money to do some kind of bunge wedding. But money, when I say they carry the travel local.
Okay, they don't carry their family, just themselves.
No, just themselves. Just go here, form the thing.
So if they do wedding for 38, waiting.
38 countries.
38 countries. So how the honeymoon go be?
The honeymoon on the go now. On the go. They don't need honeymoon again. They don't need crowd.
Have we?
No, blessing na Egypt with this. Well, any which one, a new invention, no. Because trust Nigerians, we sabi copy anything.
And they know they change clothes.
They go start to do one kind of thing. Now, people go marry for different local government now. well, last year they don't marry. Around 38 times. But we both life is different. If you do this 38 now, next 2 years now, they say they want divorce. So that means they go divorce 38 divorces. We now go all the country, go the council, everything we don't do for that place. But well, now you both since that now the Coco, come on out for the Coco for today. And I just want to go our Twitter account at W Late Night Show. Reach there, you drop the gist for us, okay? How you feel about this Coco we don't drop. So alright, so we're not go anywhere. The show continues. I will bring our artist on board. Nah. Mr Soji will come here, come follow us gist every everyone stop painting things. Alright. voice always give me that feel.
Okay.
Hallelujah. You get that feel. It always makes songs sweet. You got the chuka. Okay, away from that particular one. Now we get you know when we mention artists, when I first say bros they come first, you know, where the Lara first time say bros they come, say we get one artist. So at the thing say that person where we wear jeans, wear t-shirt, you know, artists where they sing, where they boss, where they rap, you understand? So I later call say he came with his paintings. Say, is the artist that is painting? Say no, it's not painter. Also, oh, and person like me, I get love for the arts. You understand? I get love for the arts. Ladies and gentlemen, our first guest for today, none of our biggest bros, they do things with paintings, and in name, na Soji Yeloye. Yeloye. Easy bit, we'll clap on it. Bros, how far?
I did, my brother.
Hey, so what's happen now? This our painting things then like this. Where I want to start from safe because we get some of your materials in here. But before I have to enter all this particular one, so how painting takes start? Say you jump enter painting based on saying a hostel. I mean, say you are loving this thing right from the start. I mean, you just come out from your mama belly, you hope painting come outside.
Bros, na long way me I come from.
Long way.
Very long way. I come from family where we say my papa na professor of zoology. I come from a family of professors.
Okay.
The Yeloye family.
Okay.
So me at first they read mathematics. They say they must force me to read mathematics. So for University of Ilorin,
okay,
they say me I must read. Say art now for dropout.
Oh.
And I tell them say me I won't read art. They say no, you must read science course because I be your papa, I be professor.
Oh, so they won't force you to do the thing.
In fact, they don't force myself.
Oh.
Now first they read art for science for University of Ilorin. First year, second year, third year. Instead of say make me the Facebook. Me and they draw lecturer, people will laugh.
Year
1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4. Year 4, year 5, final year now. I don't come make the pass out mark. Now my papa now he say advice to withdraw. He say make I go bring my form. Say I must repeat. I go tear the form. So when they come say make I go University of Benin now, my mind come settle.
Say make
So
now
I
make
can start again
from beginning.
So 4 years plus extra 4 years.
Hey.
So now 8 years. So I've come a long way for art.
So you can't go inside the place like this.
So nothing will make me leave art again for my life. I don't read other. I don't go through thick and thin.
For this particular art thing.
I don't even feel work for any company.
Anybody.
I'm a visual artist to the core.
Visual artist. Now,
paint.
because people need to understand this thing now. Visual artists, painting. Yeah. Some people they use pencils, they do their own. Yeah. What will be the difference for all these ones?
Visual arts.
So now just a visual, just a look at use eye they draw something.
Where you feel perceive, where you feel see, feel look something.
Yes.
You go give your own impression of what you feel it be like.
Okay.
That's my visual art.
Visual art. So you have to just look the thing.
You
like
go
this
look
now.
the thing, give your own particular impression of what your eye they see.
For that particular.
Your own eye, yo.
Because they watch sometimes when some people for some maybe like some kind of film or something, people can just stand, they just look. Some kind of painting like this one now wait for screen for example now this one for me for my eye now like just one woman with your bald head now they see you understand but suppose you all look and now say okay I can see the destiny of somebody I can see the nation wanting. So for visual artists, you guys get eye for this particular thing.
Yes. You have to have an idea of what you want to see. A creative mind.
Okay.
Everybody has a creative. Maybe I feel everybody be creative artist too.
Okay.
You be creative artist, but how your own take develop, now be the artist will be you.
Okay.
Every single person an artist.
Okay.
But you never bring out your own.
The technical side.
So as you take develop your own, you have to bring out everything. Now you be you.
Like this one I waiting for screen now. Okay, as a visual artist now, what did this one now tell us?
If you go all these village dancer, all the dances for all this Urobo side.
Okay.
You get the way they take the dance on her, and she's still feeling happy.
Okay.
That's it. So in terms of the stress what they go through for this Niger, they still do it with pride.
Yes.
African women still do it with pride.
And then the African women we will get for this world, very, very strong women, and they appreciate everything when they come their way. Now, so tell us more about some other ones and where you carry come like this.
I'm always fascinated about women who play the talking drum.
Okay.
This lady that usually plays this talking, women who play the talking drum.
Okay, we'll get one
Ara, thank you. That's So the way she plays the drum, she plays it so masculinely.
Yes.
And the way she plays it, I'm always fascinated that not the only man they play no be only man they play talking drums.
Yes.
Say women can also play it, and they play it with so much smile, and so the way they smash, they hit
they knock
the thing, and they bring out all the melody from the thing.
But some women when they play those talking drums something, they no go fit to slap men for head like say,
you, I will just play your head now. You don't die.
That's on the lighter side. Now, but how arts generally how people don't they appreciate art for this country so far?
It's slow, but it's gradually improving. But before, people were not really appreciating art. But gradually, if you come to think about it, art is life generally. The clothes where they wear, everything, the colors where they choose around, colors of our stores. People won't build boutique. Cloth where they wear itself. It's all art. So generally, art is being appreciated. You need an artist for every occasion to change to design set. It's all art.
Everything
so
art.
Once in a while, you need art. So it's gradually being appreciated. Before it was, wait, I want to take this one do. Now I go chop. But now you see that you need art in everywhere we go in.
Because now people they do things like exhibitions
and things like that.
Yes. Now, okay, tell us about this particular one because some things I see for this one. If you like say in my head, they talk about that.
The way I always paint, I'm always fascinated by the body of a woman when they dance.
Okay, when did they dance?
They dance. Okay. I'm always inspired by body movements, and body posture. The way they smile, the way they dance. So most of my art been get all this younger posture where they go to dance, they do all this
Shakara,
they dance. There's a way women always make all this. So it always they inspired when they paint all those things. So most of my art they always they carry flair.
Nice one. Now, okay, we got some of your works there for the screen. This one a big one now. This one is slightly bigger than this particular one we did for.
This is not canvas. They
call
canvas, oil on canvas. Yeah.
Oil on canvas. Yeah. Okay, tell us more about this one. So,
this na Atilogo rhythms. Na like Igbo festival.
Okay.
I always visit some festivals where I want they paint. I will paint some traditional themes.
Okay.
Kind of most of my works are based on what I see around culture. I promote culture a lot. They promote culture, so I work more on color.
Okay, because I say no play color plenty for this.
My color must be very rich. Then I work more on rhythm. If you see Atilogo people, they dance well. You get the way they flow. I mean, they are big, their feathers, they flow.
Yes.
So all those tiny things they take into consideration when they paint. Then they make people they really look my paintings well.
Okay.
Some people they go paint, could be like say then they paint. All their drummers, their dancers go they stand like wood way they this. But when you paint, it's supposed to be in motion. When they dance, you go be like say you want go dance for where they work.
But so far on your own personal work now, you don't do things like exhibitions where people go come look your things.
Yeah, I do shows, but most of the time my works na commission jobs for banks, restaurant, eateries. As before I paint finish, say I won't go carry and go do one exhibition. I been get some collectors where say they don't want make I rest. They could just come my studio pack out. But I won't plan to do my own private shows. Most of the time where I say I won't do private exhibitions, I get collectors where say they don't want make I rest. They will just come like this. No, Soji, I beg, you go do another one. So every time they plan for one show, I always get distracted. But I think I have to focus on.
I said no, because seriously, for me, anybody when they do stuff like this, you understand? I have to just carve your own niche for one corner for yourself, and take and go on that level. Because if everybody do the same thing every time, just the same way, get to another result. Now just one pattern. But I feel man. But I don't see some young people then we don't carry this whole thing go on that level. Some people they play music, they do some kind things, the arts go there. Now the same thing that they do, they bring packaging. You understand? And this is not very, very nice things. If you leave me here now, you just carry some, just frame them, just put them for somewhere in my house and everything. Because I love paintings too. That year, now like I tell you before we enter the show just now, me I they paint fire. But someday what they always do, they just carry, when they just look like canvas like that one. Now we just now they pour.
Because they go the splash color.
Yeah, there's a splash color on top. But you go see they speak things.
Now different kind of art now in this world. Art is art. You go feel just express yourself. Some people just feel they put canvas for ground, begin tell their picking me, then begin match them.
Yes.
Now how they go take explain them, now ain't go make sense.
Okay.
So don't be every art now make sense, but how you take
Sam from your own angle.
And after people come CV say this art, this is not nonsense now.
Yes.
And one white man go come and say, man, no, now this one I want.
Exactly. Talking about white people now, this are Igbo people. Because like they come there like this thing pass also.
Yes.
How the whitey and the black man. Wetin be their difference based on say how they take they look these particular things?
The white people, I think international art, they won't look at to say something where they never see before. If you paint all this kind of thing, drummer, dancer, something where they see every day, they will just look you and say, they know they buy.
Okay.
But if you just bring one crazy art like that, just draw something, put match, put wood, put this. Oh, they'll say, no, interesting, this is that.
I don't see one before where person na lip, different color of lip. Just like they
for
just pack like
when me
100
at day
girls.
school, some art people come white people come my studio. They say they won't buy art. Okay, I say maybe they go come back. Me, I don't even know say that the palette where they mix the color.
Yeah.
Me, I think say that the finished work they won't buy. Now they come the next day. They say, yeah, where they work now? I say, now the work be this now. They say, no.
That yama.
And me, I don't throw palette. Come on, throw away.
Now they be want.
They say they no buy again. No.
Hey, so anything is workable.
Everything is art.
Bam.
At times I go paint for a door like this for school. The next day, so they don't go remove. They remove door. But they appreciate them. They just remove the door, go sell.
But small sha, for this part of the world, don't they appreciate this thing? Don't they appreciate this thing?
So
If people want to reach you now, how they go take reach you?
I am a private artist. I've been a private artist since.
Okay, on your own, codedly.
Yeah.
Codedly.
I paint in my studios.
Okay.
Once in a while, I come out for exhibitions, but
Okay.
I'm more of a studio artist.
Okay. So where if they want to reach you now, where your studio there?
I'm at number 12, Tanimowo Street. That's where my residence is, and that's where
you also use as your office.
But you can also reach me in galleries like Nikkei Art Gallery.
Okay.
1 or 2 galleries.
Okay.
My Dream. Most of my works are around, no?
Okay.
Yeah, most of my works are around.
All right, we really appreciate you. Say you follow us, sit down for this show today.
Yeah, thank
Can't
you,
talk
Nathan.
everything art.
I thank you, Nathan.
Thank you very much, bros.
Thank you.
Okay, so the show still continue. When I don't go anywhere. Finally, but Michael's don't land. All right, so when I don't go anywhere, easy beat. You carry us, go this break. We they come back with the show. No go anywhere.